In this video, I want to share with you some low competition pickleball niches and some prompts to go with those niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you can get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those prompts and niches for pickleball, just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So it is Tuesday, June 18th, 9:15 a.m. in the morning, and sitting at 12 sales, $14 in royalties. Had a pretty good day yesterday, 45 sales, $82 in royalties, but that is going to put me at 958 sales and about $1,400 for the month. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so now that we got the intro out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So Pickleball Day is coming up here in August, and I actually found this niche when I was making the word file of the 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in August, which is for gold members. Click the join button if you're interested in joining. But right here, we're going to see that right here, National Pickleball Day is August 8th, 2024. And pickleball is a big niche. We go here to Google Trends. We're going to see it's just really picked up over the past 5 years. So 2019, not so much. But ever since we hit like 2021, it's just been on this uptrend right here. So really popular sport. I even see people playing it down here in Mexico, so it looks like it's starting to go kind of international and worldwide. Now, if you want access to 3 free prompts, you can go ahead and click on one of the links in the description. You'll get 3 free pickleball prompts. This is one of them right here for 4th of July. And if you like those prompts and you want more, you can get 37 more pickleball prompts for only $4. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the first freebie. Let me just pull up the word file that you'll get for free. Oh, whoops. So right here, 3 free pickleball prompts. So the first one is this niche right here, and it is Pickleball Champion. So if we go to Merch Informer, type in Pickleball Champion, we're going to see that this is pretty low in competition. Only 150, or right here, 150 Merch by Amazon results. So you can see it's low in competition. And we can see that it has BSRs. Like this one has a really good BSR, not in the Climate Pledge Friendly category because they got rid of that category. So pretty simple designs right here, selling. And if we check test to see if it is trademarked, so when I type in Pickleball Champion and I click on the 025 filter, not seeing anything. Now there is one for US Pickleball Championships, but not for Pickleball Champion. And here is the design and the prompt that I have for you. So Pickleball Champion, the talent has arrived. I thought that was pretty funny. Here what some of the other ones look like. I think this one could work. This one probably not so much. I don't know what's going on there or right there. This one I think also works. This could probably be the second one or maybe the best one. And then this is the one that I like the best. And then here is the magic prompt. So the magic prompts, or the prompts that I have that are free and for the paid ones, are magic prompts. They're just very descriptive, have a lot of detail. You see has a lot of text, a whimsical illustration featuring a smiling pickle character wearing a tiny sports outfit, just very detailed. And I have illustration checked off here. You can also select vibrant. I do that as well sometimes, but that is the first pickleball niche I have for you. That's low in competition and the prompt. And then the next low competition pickleball niche I have for you is this phrase right here, world's okayest pickleball player, only 97 results. This phrase works with so many niches, world's okayest. You can do it for like professions, you can do it for like sports. But right here we're going to see what some of the designs look like. A lot of them have reviews, got pretty good BSRs. This one's sitting at 590 at almost 19 bucks. That's a pretty good royalty, maybe somewhere right around $4 every time this gets a sale. So good niche, low in competition, popular phrase that we know sells well. And I don't think I saw anything trademarked, world's okayest pickleball player yet. And nothing pops up. There's nothing I can find, but never take my word for it. Always just do your research. And then here is the prompt. Now make sure you stick around towards the end of the video because I'm going to show you all the prompts for the 40 pickleball niches. I got some really good like Halloween ones, Christmas ones, Thanksgiving ones. But this is the prompt for this niche right here, or for this phrase, world's okayest pickleball player. I think this turned out pretty nice. Basically I found one that I like and I just remixed it. So that's why they all basically look the same. But that is going to be the second pickleball niche that is low in competition. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the third one. And then the next low competition pickleball niche I have for you is Pickleball Snowman. So here we're taking pickleball and we're cross niching it basically with Christmas. You know, now is the time to get ready for Q4. I know a lot of people want to go to the beach and, you know, hang out, and that's cool, you know, teach their own. But me personally, you know, I'm putting in the work, getting ready for Q4. I really like to take advantage of summer to just work so that I'm ready and prepared to really take advantage of all those Q4 sales. But Pickleball Snowman, only 41 results. Right here we see 41, and the prompt that I have, or the design that I made from the prompt, is awesome. I think it's better than all of these ones right here. But if we look at these ones, we can see that, you know, how they look. You can see it's three pickleballs turned into a snowman. Some of them have branches for arms. Some of them have pickleballs, but they are selling. I don't see anything trademarked for Pickleball Snowman, but always do your research. But check out this design right here. This is so cool. How good is that? Looks freaking awesome in my opinion. Now the other ones didn't turn out really the best. Like this one's nose is kind of weird. Shouldn't really be a smiley face there. This one's kind of weird as well. This one kind of works, but this is the best one right here because you have the body of the snowman as the pickleballs in yellow. I just think that turned out great. This is what the prompt looks like right here. You can see magic prompt, very detailed, very descriptive. So those are the three niches and three prompts that I have for you. Again, if you want, you can download those for free. And if you like them and you want more, you can get 37 more for only $4. I charge, you know, 10 cents a prompt basically. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of those prompts or the designs, because I got some really good ones. And I'm just going to go ahead and start from the top. But make sure you stick around because I want to share with you these Halloween ones. Kind of went down a rabbit hole. Okay, so right here we're going to see it's always pickleball season. Now I did check these for trademark, but like I always say, don't take my word for it. Always do your research. But it's always pickleball season. This looks pretty good. Everything is spelled correctly, I believe. Pickleball, it's kind of a big deal, so it's kind of making it's a play on words. I always say that these play on word designs do really well. Instead of it's kind of a big deal, it's kind of a big dill. Dill is a type of pickle, and it's pickleball, so it all makes sense. Queen of the pickleball court. Pickleball making tennis courts great again. Pickleball is like duct tape. It fixes everything. I'm a pickleball husband. You can also do a pickleball wife. Here's a Christmas one. I think this turned out really nice as well. So it's like a reindeer on the face of a pickleball paddle or racket. This is a Halloween one. A day without pickleball is boo sheet. We've seen that boo sheet with the ghost like this does very well during Halloween. But check out these Christmas ones. So Merry Picklemas. I think this turned out really good also. Merry Picklemas. This is just a Santa Claus dabbing. Here we got a pickleball with a Santa Claus hat and reindeer antlers on the top. Eat Dink and Be Merry. Now check to make sure that Be Merry is not trademarked, because I did think I might have saw something, so just double check for this one. And dink is like a word that they use in pickleball. You see it a lot. Here's one for Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for pickleball. And then here we got some 4th of July ones, which also turned out really good. So American Pickleball Champion. Here's the one that I have on the thumbnail right here. So that one turned out really good also. This was my second favorite one. The first was the Snowman. And then here we got one also for 4th of July where the Statue of Liberty is holding up a pickleball paddle. Here are two more 4th of July ones. So we got a pickleball with the 4th of July hat on top, and then another All-American pickleball player 4th of July one. But check out these Halloween ones. I had so much fun making these Halloween ones. Kind of went down like a rabbit hole. First, I was just going to do like a whole bunch of just like generic, basically pickleball prompts. But I saw these really cool Halloween ones. So let's take a look at them. So I suck at pickleball with a vampire. So vampires, they like to suck your blood. So that's why this makes sense. I suck at pickleball. Let's dink ghouls. We see this every Halloween, the ghouls with the ghosts like this and the kind of retro flowers. But instead of saying let's drink, it's saying let's dink. Again, we're seeing that dink word. I died playing pickleball. This is another one of my favorite ones. Pickleball by day, witch by night. That also looks really good. We'll trade candy for pickleball. 0-0 boo. I think this has to do with they're talking about the score. But here you got the ghost again, smiling with an axe, with the pickleball and the paddle. I'm such a witch without my pickleball. You got the witch holding the big pickleball. It's kind of big, but I think it still works. Time to dink witches. So instead of time to drink witches, it's time to dink witches. So play on words makes sense with pickleball. We see the pickleball balls surrounding the witch. I'm the pickleball witch they warned you about. You can see all the text looks like it's spelled correctly. This was probably my third favorite. I really like this one. This is my spooky pickleball costume. Really like the hat on top of the pickleball paddle. A few more. Drink or treat. I think it should be dink or treat. So when you go to the prompt, I would do dink or treat instead. That's just a really good Halloween niche. You basically take anything, whether it's like yoga or trick or yoga, or basically you just take trick or treat and you put in some type of niche. So here it's dink or treat. Pickleween. This one I also really liked as well. No text, just 3 skeletons playing pickleball. Here's a really good Thanksgiving one. Look how nice that one looks. That's probably the 4th best. 2 more Halloween ones. Pickleboo with the ghost. And smash it. So you smash it. That's why it makes sense with pickleball. And then here are the ones that I showed you. The Snowman, my favorite one. World's okayest pickleball player, pickleball champion. The talent has arrived. And then here's one more. I know I play like a girl. Tried to keep up. All right. So those are the designs for the prompts that I have. Again, if you're interested, you can get 3 free ones right here. And if you want more, like the Halloween ones, the 4th of July ones, the Christmas ones, the Thanksgiving ones, then it's only $4 and you'll get 40 of those prompts right there. And then let me just go ahead and show you some of the benefits that you'll get if you decide to become a member. Alright, so now I want to talk about some benefits that I'm offering that can help you get sales like this right here. I'm not the best merch by Amazon seller, but you can see I do pretty good, like $143, $50, $64, $80, $70, $82, and it's 9:32 in the morning right now, sitting at about $15. But I'm now offering memberships on my YouTube channel. So if you click on this join button right here on any one of my videos, you can watch the video to get more information. But basically I'm offering 3 tiers: bronze, silver, gold. Bronze is just a way to basically support the channel. You'll get loyalty badges and priority reply to comments, but the real value is going to be in the silver and the gold tiers. So the silver is going to get you 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. Each video comes out on Monday morning at 6 a.m. and those videos are going to have 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches that come with prompts for Ideogram. And then you're also going to get a daily market update. So on my YouTube channel, you just come here to where it says community or to membership, and I'll just give you an example of what one of those looks like. So 10 days ago I made this post, market update for Saturday, basically sharing with you a trendy niche. So the majority of the market updates are trendy niches. Now there has to be something trendy, but for the most part I'm able to find something. So for that day, this was the trendy niche. I share with you a link of one of the designs that is selling in this niche. I talk about why it is trending. I talk about the competition. I even give you a prompt for it as well. Then you also get access to my Creative Fabrica shop. So if you don't want to use fonts, you don't want to pay a designer, you can just download a design for this trendy niche. I also give you bullet points for brand, title, bullet 1 and bullet 2. So, basically with the silver package, you're just going to get a lot of niches, evergreen niches, low competition niches, and trendy niches. And then if you decide to go with the gold, you're going to get everything in the silver package. But you're also going to get a Word file at the beginning of each month for 100 prompts of niches that will be trending the following month. So today is, let's see, June 18th. So if you were to become a gold member today, July 1st, you would get a Word file of 100 niches. You would get a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in August. All right. So you're also going to get all of my prompts that I also make as well. So like, for example, if you're a gold member and you're watching this, you would get the pickleball prompts all for free, and I make a few of those every month, depending just on what time of the year it is. But basically, silver is going to get you a whole bunch of evergreen niches, trending niches, and the gold is going to get you everything in the silver package plus all the prompts that I make. All right, so if you're interested, just click the join button. Now, if this join button is not available in your country, I offer the exact same thing for the exact same price on Patreon. You just click on this Patreon link right here, and you can sign up. And if you are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, like if you are stuck in tier 10, making less than like $100 a month, I would highly recommend you check out my beginners course for Merch by Amazon. I'm going to teach you everything that I know. Like I said, I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but I do pretty good. Last month I did $2,800. Now this course again is good for beginners, people that are struggling to get sales. And then if you want some freebies, I have if you click on my name right here and go to my Gumroad shop, I got some Etsy courses, a Redbubble course, but the freebies are the prompts. So I got 10 free Father's Day prompts. Well, actually, that's already passed because that was a couple days ago. But I got trending prompts for June. I just got a whole bunch of free prompts here that you can check out. I also have paid prompts as well. So if you're looking for like some 4th of July designs, you can get 5 free ones right here. And then if you like that, you can purchase 45 more or get 50 prompts for only $5. And I have that for camping, glamping, lake prompts, barbecue, back to school. That's a really good one. This has been selling. This is probably the best seller right now. This is 75 back to school prompts. What else? Gardening prompts. All types of prompts. So if you're interested, go ahead and click on my name right here to check out my Gumroad shop. That is going to be it for this video. Comment below and let me know what you think about the pickleball niche. Let me know what you think about those pickleball prompts, the designs, especially the Halloween ones. I thought those were really cool. I had a really fun time making those. But that is going to be it for the video. And if you just want free content, you can just subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. I put out videos on a regular basis, sharing with you prompts, evergreen niches, trending niches, basically anything to do with print on demand or merch by Amazon. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.